Um, so happy of course that finally meron kami panalo against NU and which is most important because this is the championship series. So thank you sa mga girls. They really work hard for this, the whole team. Until the last second na pwedeng humapon yung NU, they keep their composure and di na nangyari yung last time what happened and I'm just so happy.
Thank you. To Ken, you had 15 points, 6 rebounds, 4 steals, and 1 assist. So, what they say, first time mong tinalo ang Lady Bulldogs. What can you say?
Siyempre po, unang-una sa lahat, magpapasalamat po ako sa mga coaches po na nagtiwala po sa naibalik po ako sa loob ng court. Sobrang grateful po kami na binigyan po kami ng opportunity po na matalo po namin yung NU po, and gagawin po namin yung best namin para makuha yung panalo next game, and nasa momentum na po kami. Gagawin pa rin po namin yung lahat kung ano yung dapat namin gawin. And tiwala pa rin po kami sa isa't isa and bigyan namin ng kumpiyansa yung mga kasama namin sa team.
Thank you. To Taki, you had 14 points, 2 assists, and 2 steals. So, di kita niyo laban pero this time around kayo naman yung nanaig. So, what do you say about your team?
Nag-stick lang talaga kami sa system nila, Coach Heidi, nila Coach Sen, and other coaches po namin. And yung tiwala talaga namin is binigay namin sa kanila, and also sa mga teammates po namin, mapa-rookie man, binibigyan namin sila ng confidence. Even sa bench namin, nagsusupport talaga, and yun talaga yung ini-aim po namin next game. Sana ay ma-maintain namin talaga. Yun. Thank you.
Thank you. To Tanstoy at 13, double, 13 points, 14 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals. What can you say about this game 1 win?
Yun nga parang thank you kay Lord kasi siyempre wala ko rito kung hindi dahil kay Lord. Siyempre thank you rin sa coaches namin na naniniwala sa akin. Yun nga parang galing ako sa ACL kaya nung last season wala ako sa 5-on-5. Parang ang laki ng pasalamat ko na binigyan ulit nila ako ng chance para makapag-compete ngayong last year ko sa 5-on-5. And yun, parang binigay ko lang talaga yung best ko. Maglaro ko para kay Coach ID and sa team. Talagang bigay mo lang lahat. Talagang lalabas naman yung result eh.
Okay, the floor is open for questions. Philip.
Coach, could you talk about the grit of the team? You forced 23 turnovers and then it went to 27 points. So what was that?
I told the girls that during the season we need some offensive power, pero pagdating ngayon sa championship, defense will really says a lot and will give you championship. And so I think nagawa namin yun. We clamp on their shooters, walang masyadong transition offense. So I think come game 2, defense will speaks a lot for us again.
Coach, in that final sequence po against NU, ano na lang po yung naging instruction since NU is still a strong opponent and they still have options to force the game into overtime?
That's why sinabi ko sa kanila, we have been through a lot of overtime this season. Siguro natuto na yung mga bata with their past mistakes, and yun lang sinabi ko. Alam na natin kung anong gagawin natin this time. So, yeah.
For the players, medyo similar siya dun sa nangyari ng second round. But we all know kung ano yung naging result nun. I guess ano yung binago nyo sa mindset and also sa game plan din. Na that's why iba na yung nangyari this time around. Parang naging matured lang kami sa loob ng court. Parang binigyan lang namin ng advice yung mga rookies din, mga bata na kailangan namin mag-execute ng maayos, gawin yung system ni coach. Parang ginawa naman namin yung best namin lahat kanina. Parang nag-stick lang kami sa system kung ano dapat namin gawin, kung ano yung game plan namin. Parang lesson learned na yung nangyari nung last game against sa kanila. Parang kailangan na namin tiwala sa isa't isa, gamitin yung oras, pagdamang na. So ginawa naman po namin yung kung ano dapat namin gawin.
Add ko lang din sa sinabi ni Ken. Siguro ngayon, kinontrol lang talaga namin yung emotion namin. Kasi nung last mga previous games namin versus NU and UP, parang we celebrate early kaya parang yun, natatalo pa kami. But now, natuto na kami talaga. So yun, we control their emotion.
Ken, gano'ng kalaking confidence boost lang to heading into the second game? Kasi nga, yung tagal ng losing streak sa NU.
Parang sa akin, parang grabe yung confidence binigay sa amin, lalo na nakuha namin yung game 1. Parang naging sobrang advantage namin na magagawa pa rin namin yung best namin every game. Siguro next game, mas dodoblein pa namin yung effort namin kung ano yung ginawa namin ng game 1. Hindi na namin na mawala kami sa momentum at mabigay pa namin sa panalo.
Kay Taki tsaka Tantoy, part kayo nung 3x3 team ng USD last season na tumalo sa inyo sa championship din. Although different tong 5-on-5, ano lang yung reminders nyo sa teammates nyo heading into this game?
Parang yun naman palagi naman namin sinasabi sa teammate namin and Suzuki and Sophomore, palagi namin silang ginagayad na kailangan maging matured kayo, lalo na kapag nasa laro na iba kasi kapag nasa practice iba yun kapag nasa on game. So yun, sinasabi ko sa kanila na mag-meditate kayo, wala kayong ibang pakinggan kung hindi si coach and yung payo namin and execute sa lahat ng pinapagawa nila.
And also, pag pinasok talaga sa court, i-remind namin sila na all out talaga, all effort nyo ilabas nila. Kahit ilang minutes lang yan or seconds lang yan, kailangan buhos talaga lahat, walang itigil.
Coach, one of the hardest things to do in a basketball game is to close out a series. And going into game 2, Coach, ano na lang yung biggest reminder mo sa players after this historic win?
Of course, and you will have some adjustment come game 2, and we should be prepared for that kind of adjustment. And I think in order for us to really close the series is we should wanted it more than NU. The girls should wanted it more na ibalik ang corona sa Espanya.
Congratulations, Coach Heidi.